Hey everybody, I'm the American living in the Philippines. Just wanted to show the entryway here to Day-Asan Water Village. Right about 5 minutes, 10 minutes out of Surigao City.
Kaduyong ya may kuan.
Sus dapat lokaw tana tayo.
Kina ba maguyog? Kay kun guyog itong
Parking na grabe ka.
Pretty crowded. Yeah, we're having a hard time parking. Isa had to go all the way up the hill, but this is Day-Asan Water Village, and this is the resort that is pretty new out there that you can take one of these water taxis to and go spend the day doing all kinds of water activities. Our normal guy that we deal with is Julie, who kind of runs the whole thing. I really was hoping he was here so we could talk to him, but this is his son. So we'll see if we can get some information about how many taxis they actually have. I think Julie owns or rents most of them, so we'll find out. So I was just translating that we want to go out to that floating resort and check that out and then go to the fish cage. So we're going to take this taxi and do that. All right, honey bun, we're going to ask him what's a normal... Yeah, just ask him how much it costs normally to go...
For one person?
Yeah, for one person, just to go to the resort.
So the minimum amount is 500 pesos even for one person. If you want him to like take you to the resort and then later come back to pick them up.
He charged 500 pesos for that?
Yes.
That's pretty high price for Philippines. Okay. And like
but
just to take it
to... If you just want to go to like local like fish cage, like 15 pesos only.
Okay. Yeah, if you just want to take to one of the houses here or one of your own fish cages, it's very cheap.
Yeah, 3 minutes from here already.
Right. And so if he charges 500 pesos for the boat, right? So you could fill the boat and still only 500 pesos?
So besan ko larang kahamo kita yung mga tao pasahero pasingod sa Danis 500 gihapon sa una.
Ban.
Oh, okay.
Sa pambot din diskarga.
Ay, basta ini setting.
Ban, dosi.
Yeah, like 12 people only because there's a limit
On the size of the boat. But it's a one price, so your whole group can go for 500 pesos back and forth. He'll drop you off and pick you up later.
Balik back and forth na jaon, balik-balik ko ano jaon.
Okay.
Yeah,
And there's other water. How many boats, taxis does his dad
pila ka
have?
bukan ijo ini tag-drive na pambut pasaheroan?
Anamo ban upat.
4.
He has 4. Does anybody else have a taxis, the water taxis like this? Or is it all Julie?
Daon dali. Kamakalulot.
Yeah, there's also other people that is picking up passengers.
How many does he think there is total?
Day-Asan.
Total
Mga pinakabugtanan
boats.
din sa Day-Asan mga pasaheroan. Like 8.
Okay, so there's always a boat here at the dock for somebody? There's always, right?
Adlaw nagmasahero. Yes,
Yeah,
every
okay.
day.
All right, salamat. Thank you. This is the Day-Asan, I think it's Day-Asan Floating Resort. Okay, so I was just talking to the owner. I guess, are you the owner, manager?
Yeah, I am the wife of the
The wife of the owner, so she manages the place, and she said that you can come here without a reservation. You can just show up, and they charge 100 pesos per person,
Yeah.
and you can stay all day long.
Yeah.
And then the activities are extra.
We have another period one. It's only 300 the whole day using the kayak.
Oh, using the kayaks, you can do that for 300 a day. Okay. And you have karaoke and all that
Yeah, we
too?
have that's free.
Uh-huh.
You can cook.
Right, I see that. So there's
We have a website. Did you not see? We have a website. I will give you my calling
Oh,
card.
website. Okay. No, I saw the sign. I saw the sign at Day-Asan.
Yeah.
Okay. They have a little swimming area here. Very nice for the kids. Very shallow, and it's screened off. But yeah, they have a cooking area. You bring your own food. You can cook. They have restrooms.
Yeah, you can have
The kitchen's right here.
Here, that one, that area.
Okay.
This is our washing area.
Okay.
And this is our, you want to do sumba here.
Right.
You know that,
Very good.
that area is store.
Oh, a sorry type store.
Sorry. We have one here, but not fully that area.
Oh, you have like rooms.
Yeah, area, but tomorrow it's not this is unfinished, but
Oh, you're still working on this. Okay.
still.
So if you party too much, then you have a place to go to sleep. Very nice.
Thank you. It's a native.
Yeah, it's very nice. I like this. You guys done a lot of work.
What's your name?
Mark.
More.
What was your name?
Nisa.
Nisa. Nice to meet you.
We have
And-
plenty of guests now.
Oh, I know. Is this normally this crowded? Is this new? Is this a lot or is it normal?
Normal.
Oh wow. These are nice seats too. These little bamboo seats with a little bamboo. It's soft.
That's a native. That's good.
Yeah, it's very soft too compared to the hard. You have the kayaks. What else?
We have a kayak.
What other activities do you have?
Later maybe hopefully we can buy jet ski.
Jet ski. Yeah. So what time do you close at night? Can you stay as late as you want?
Yeah.
So you can spend the night or just stay till
Yeah.
2 in the morning's okay?
Yeah.
3 in the morning's okay? And you're still going to be here? What about the taxis, the Julie's boats?
Yes.
When do they stop? When do they stop taking people back?
There from Day-Asan here, and then if you want for what's that? Island hopping.
Yeah.
You can do island hopping. It's by negotiation with Julie.
Right. What time do they stop at night? When do you have to make sure and get a
Yeah, at 5 p.m.
5 p.m.? Okay, great. Tell me your name one more time.
Yeah.
Your name.
Nisa.
Nisa. Thank you.
That is, it is a combination of David and Nisa, my husband.
Oh, okay, very nice. And what's your website?
Website www.danisfloatingresort.com.
Floatingresort.com.
I will
Okay.
give you calling card.
Oh, okay, great. Okay, I'll take that. Hey! That's a big fishing boat. There's another water taxi right there. So there's a lot of boats here, but the way to really tell if it's a tourist boat is they would definitely have a canopy. These personal boats, a lot of them don't have canopy. There's another tourist boat right there. So there's always at least one here at the dock. So if you came to Surigao and you want to go to the Day-Asan Water Village, you just ask them in town. They know. You really wouldn't even need a translator. Most people would be able to get you to Day-Asan, and then you just tell the boat driver where you want to go, and they would take you either floating village, island hopping. They know all the key words, so it's pretty nice. Pretty nice to have these guys available because it's really very cheap to travel around here in the water. All right, Ugly American, live in the Philippines, over and out.